So Arunji, you yourself are a great influencer, I know, and a great motivator and a great philosopher, because your full talk that just now I have witnessed was full of philosophy. So you tell me that who was your influencer during 2021?
During 2020, I was, I'll tell you, my journey of all these things began way back in 1978 when I happened to come across the initial papers of two young, scientists who are working on psychology, that is Daniel Kahneman and Amos Tversky. Daniel Kahneman got his Nobel Prize for behavioral economics. And that is where I got interested. And, I've been continuing to study them. In 2020, an event happened. My second son, Sai Akshay, he went to US. And the bang at that moment, when the world was on the crossroads of the pandemic, he went to US in January. And when he landed there, he realized, that he has landed himself in a totally pandemic-ridden country. He was in New York and all around him was total pandemic. And then, everything went into lockdown. And we were very worried here. At that time, he told me something. He said, Dad, problems have always come in front of human beings. And, this came from a child who is he was about 25 or 26. It was 27, I think, at that time. He said that problems have always come in the face of human beings, and we are great at adapting ourselves and coming out of it. All that we need to do is sit down and think, what are the opportunities here? You can be either part of a problem or you can be a part of a solution. Decide what you want to be a part of. That, made me really think. I thought if a 63-year-old is scared, it doesn't make sense. I have seen life, and here is a 27-year-old who is telling that opportunities are looming in front of him. I said, look, I also need to see how I can, channelize my abilities and see what I can do with it. And that is where, Halima ji, I jumped into the online platform and I said, whatever I have got within me, I am going to distribute it to everyone as much as possible. That is that Iqbal Sher, na? खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रज़ा क्या है.
बहुत खूब. So such an inspiring story that a 27-year-old child has, or not child, like 27 years old boy was your influencer. That's very true. During this period of time, our youth has shown tremendous courage and confidence. And
that day I was reminded of that great saying, the child is the father of man.
Very true. So Arunji, now tell me, during 2021, most probably many people, they could not travel abroad, although they were traveling abroad quite often. Suppose if you get the chance in 2022 to move out, like bans are over, then which country would you like to go and why?
I would like to go to US because you see, everything was ready. We were planning to go to US by January, but then again, international travel has been banned. So I would like to go to US and spend some time with my mentor who showed me the way, my son.
Okay. He is still there in US?
Yes, he's still there. He and his wife are there. He is working with Bank of New York Mellon, and his wife is working with, Goldman Sachs. They are both there in New York. And they have been calling me, and I would love to go there and spend some time with them. You see, a lot of things are changing, Halima ji. A lot of things are changing. But one thing I am very confident about, that the younger generation, as I see it, our country is in good hands. The younger generation seem to be much more tougher than what we were. They are much more savvy than what we are.
Yeah, even I have also observed that they are more open And there is no hypocrisy. What they do, they say, they accept, and they challenge. And in our generation, what was there, that we used to do something and say something else. There was like a sort of hypocritic behavior. But now I have seen the children, they are very open, very transparent.
They're very open, and they don't have the hang-ups that we have. They look at, they have got an international brotherhood feeling. That's what I feel. Once this generation, our generation, vacates this place, I think Earth will be a much more beautiful place. That's a very sincere opinion of mine.
Yeah,
because I found them to be very broad-minded. They are very progressive in their thinking. They are very adaptable, very ingenious, and much more intelligent than what we were. हम लोग बातें ज्यादा करते हैं, काम कम करते हैं, वो काम ज्यादा करते हैं.
सही कहा कि बातें ज्यादा करते हैं, काम कम करते हैं. अब लास्ट क्वेश्चन आपके लिए ये है, ऐसा क्या काम है जो आप 2021 में नहीं कर सके और आप सोच रहे हैं 2022 में उसे करेंगे?
One of the things which I sincerely wanted to do was convey the message that, friends, stop depending upon explicit learning and take to implicit learning in a big way. You see, that is how, Halima ji, man has evolved. During the Stone Age, there were no classes. There were no teachers, but man has learned, and continuously he has evolved. He has learned from around him without people teaching him. Even when we are born, we learn implicitly. And today we are sitting here and discussing things only on the bedrock of the learnings of our childhood, which was all implicit. We need to create a curriculum wherein implicit learning can be driven very strongly. Community of inquiry was a very good beginning, which was made in the beginning of the 21st century, but unfortunately, it has not been taken forward adequately. I think education is like you, and all decision and policy makers should revisit the community of inquiry and teach our teachers how to create a social, a teaching, and a cognitive presence in our educational system, wherein implicit learning can become the bedrock of the learning methodology of the students going forward. This is the ideal time for it. Upay bhi nahi hai abhi. There is no other way out. It has to be done. So what better than doing it at a time when it has to be done?
Thank you very much, Arunji. It is really quite interesting talking to you, and at the same time, a lot of learning during this 20 to 25 minutes time of period. That shows the greatness of a person, that if the people are in his company, the people learn by each and every word spoken by the person. So I thank you very much, and I salute to your positive outlook, positive attitude, and then positivity you have shown in the projection of 2022. My wishes are with you. Thank you very much for being with Jahan.
Thank you, Halima ji, and my best wishes to all your audience and all the teachers of this world. May 2022 bring them the best in life. My best wishes to all of you. Thank you.